Hello, welcome guys. Weekly forecast May 25th, 2020 to 29th May 2020. And X warning, trading Forex is a leverage trading, so it's very risky. Money can be gained anytime. First of all, subscribe our channel, then click on bell icon for further update. Well, this week lesson. Remember, always do not follow signal in forex market. Always follow the chart. I will again say that do not follow signal in forex market. Always follow the chart. Many of traders are waiting for signal in forex market, and they do not follow the chart. Find a signal and they jump into it and they buy or sell from the signal. And when you find the signal, you show the chart is going a reverse, and you are entry a buy entry or sell entry against the chart. So always follow the chart, never follow the signal. Well, this week also we are analysis on following pairs: crude, gold, euro, USD, GBP, USD, euro, GBP, GBP, JPY, euro, JPY, USD, CAD, US 500, and others. And remember, always this is technical and fundamental analysis. It might be changed during the week, so do not set your mind that it's going for buy and sell, because it's not the market. I always say it is not only the market, it is world economy, so it will change anytime. So this is technical and fundamental analysis. It might be changed during the week or during the day. So do not set your mind that is going for buy or sell. So next start our first pair. We start with our first pair with root WIT, West Texas versus US. Well, last week we say a bullish market because many countries are reopening their economy, so there is some demand in the market for oil. So it's fundamentally and technically goes up and breaks some resistance. So and you see there it's from 34, and that it will fall in 30 because of some correction and some China news and US China war. So what is the next? Well, next move, I think it's bullish, so it will hit 36.37, then it will correction. So crude is always now is a bullish movement till 40 or 50, and you can only sell only some reverse candle and some reverse correction of the market, like this point where market goes around 34, and it will go to down around 30.68, around $4 or 3.5 dollar. Okay, so uh, what is next week? Next week also we see a bullish market. If there is any parametric, the COVID-19 and other trade war is, if negative, then it will fall. And at present there is no news of falling the market, because there is lots of demand in the market. Also, US rig count is down, so oil supply is cut off daily. And it's my previous analysis that in some one point that oil production will hamper due to uh, COVID-19. So that time demand, if demand not be increased, other then also price will increase. Our next pair is gold, and gold, you see this channel. This I it hit back this channel quite of time, and I say if it broke down, it will stay 70. If it broke 720, then it will stay long, and it will stay long, and it one, three times back in my line and get up. So I see in my channel next buy valid after break this line. So keep copy this chart and follow this chart. If this line is broken, then you can buy. So this line also belong to 130, 700, 1737. So if it cross 1737, market will be bullish and try to break 1750 and 60, then it will reach 1800. And when you sell, if it again re-enter in my channel, this green channel, I just bold the channel so you can easily show this channel. So if in the format I to make more, okay, if the candlestick is below in my this chart or again into the in my chart, then you can sell again, but sell is not safe from there because it's trying to bullish. So never sell from there, buy after 1737. Okay, and next euro usd. Our next pair is euro usd, and is like gold, euro usd, gbb usd is running also a channel. You see this channel. So uh, in the channel, and if so, this higher top and the triple top is the same. So what is the next we sell some from here. This when we find this crossbar, crossing this crossbar, so we can take sell from there. And it previously hit this resistance support and will go further up. So euro usd we can, well, if price grows this red line, under this red line, then you can sell, and if price above this red line, you can buy. And what is the this point in 108817. Well, GBP USD, you see this running in my channel, then broke out and goes up, and we buy from there, take some profit, then it is going down. And someone asking me where from we can sell. So if you want to sell, you need to cross this line. I will drop down this line. Okay, if it cross 1.21671 fully a candle, then you can sell from there. And I draw up the shorts and your stop loss. And I have to take it again. So where is your stop loss? Put your stop loss in above this line. So if it cross 1.21 600, then you can sell from there, otherwise you can buy from there. So euro usd, euro gpb, well, we are trading in this pair quite a few weeks, and euro gpb, you see in my channel that I say all of you that increase your position after cross this line, is break this line, then you increase your position and going for sell at least this point, at least 500, 700, 800 pips, sorry, 70, 80 pips, and if it broke down this uh, crossbar and this resistance, then you can buy till 0.94 or 0.95. So follow this chart, EURJPY. Well, our next pair is EURJPY. There are a lot of question and a lot of guys asking me is the feature of this next feature of this pair, and I saw look at that channel and it's going down. If it cross 130.400, then you can sell, otherwise you can buy from there. It's so simple, guys. If GBP JPY, I again say, if it cross this line, you can sell from there, otherwise it will hit back. There is a strong crossbar and a support there. It will hit backs, and around you can take 40-50 pips, then it will hit back again, then you can see a big fall. Before big fall, it might go also up again because it's trying to bullish again from there, so some bearishness. And if you see the day candle, it's closing in a timber, so try to cross this line for sell or hit back for buy. Well, our next pair is EURJPY, and you can see we have achieved our target there. Now we shifted, we fill up our target there almost, mm, 300 pips, and now it's falling this now. And yesterday I said, if a candle close above this crossbar, then you can buy, so you can buy from there, and whenever you sell, when this line is crossed, you can sell from there. So guys, EURJPY, follow this chart. It crossed my crossbar, so you can buy from there, and if it goes below this line and crossbar, then you can sell from there. And you that's market as a big movement, then it's going for correction, so my expected it will go further up because of euro is strengthening and Japanese yen is and USD are falling because of trade war. Okay, our next pair is USD CAD. USD CAD is uh, we are buying from here, selling from there. So our sell target is complete now from that reason. So what the next? Well, next Well, you can buy from there because there is a line bar. I draw this. If it below the cross this line, well, I make it red and say, if cross this line below, then sell, and it's if it stay above this line, you can buy from there. I will give a long signal from there. So put a stop loss around this line, so you can buy from there. Well, US 500 or SPX 500, uh, it's so bullish because all the shares of US stocks are increasing, and there is so much transaction in exchange. So SP 100 and US 500 is increasing, and it's cross also my channel, and it will go further up. So it's also buying zone, also selling zone. How can we say selling zone? If next week it might be some pullback in US economy. If that happen, and COVID-19 is increasing there in America, so it may fall again to hit back this level again also. So 29, our target to 29 to below 28, and further up, if it cross this line, it will hit 32.07, this line again. So wait till buy or sell for next week. Well, our last pair is GBP CAD, and my traders are buying from there and almost get 60-70 pips. Sorry, at almost 80 pips, and it's tight for a correction, and buy big if it cross this red zone, red bar, red support zone 1.70926, then you can buy and sell after this line. If this line is broken, then you can sell from there. Before that, you can buy from there. So next week is also a vacation for our Muslim brothers, and I give you all of you the Eid special gift. So fill up your account, and I will give 15-minute chart and 4-hour chart for long trade, 15-hour chart for 20-30 pips. Next week we will give you surprise of 1000 pips for week. This is your vacation gift. Thank you very much for watching this video.